Welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Express 12 hours as a percent of 4 days. 12 hours as a percent of 4 days. Let's see the solution. We have 1 day is equal to how many hours? 24 hours. And 4 days. 4 days. How many hours? Let's see. 4 into 24 days, 24 hours. So 4 into 24, 96 hours. 4 days is equal to 96 hours. Let x percent of 4 days is equal to 12 hours. X percent of 4 days is equal to 12 hours. X percent of 96 hours is equal to 12 hours. That means 4 days is equal to 96 hours. So, x percent means 100. So, x by 100 into 96 is equal to 12. Here, x by 100. Here 96 is multiple and this 96 change to equal to right hand side. Then divide the 96. So, 12 by 96. 12 is cancelled in 96 in 8 times. So, x is equal to 1 by 8. Here 100 is divided. So, this 100 change to equal right hand side, then multiple. So, into 100. 8 is cancelled in 100 in 12 1 by 2 times. So, x is equal to 12 1 by 2. Hence, 12 1 by 2% of 4 days is equal to 12 hours. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.